Hi, thank you so much for staying with me and for subscribing to this channel. And Fluently is mainly an attempt from my end to share English words, phrases, expressions, and idioms that will make our conversation a little bit more sophisticated and cool. And it's an attempt where we all get busy with our life and we don't consciously set aside time to improve and enhance our vocabulary, and this fluently video addresses that kind of a problem that we all encounter. It's mainly an attempt to share with everyone words that we may have known but have completely forgotten, English idioms that kind of rings a bell, but we've never used it in our conversations. So it's mainly, this is a kind of a go-to place for all of you to come back every now and then to see what's the latest here. Because I'm like curating a lot of information related to words, phrases, expressions, idioms, new words, and all that. So I'd invite you to keep coming back to check out what's happening latest on the Fluently front, and to kind of go back having learned a thing or two from the English language, right? So I just wanted to spend a couple of minutes in sharing this information with all of you. And like I always say, stay in touch, stay in love with the English language, and we'll be looking at several more interesting stuff in the videos to follow. Take care and talk to you soon.